When manufacturing companies are looking for business growth, they need a solid marketing plan, update of corporate image, update of corporate message, update of website and marketing content, inbound and outbound marketing campaigns. So they turn to Grant Marketing and have for over 30 years. We know manufacturing. It's our specialty. Our team of professional marketers, writers, designers, photographers, and video crews have been in their offices and factories to create and write dynamic copy, as well as capture professional images that boost their brand and brand recognition within their industry. Our HubSpot plans for manufacturers ensure transparency in our marketing efforts and also provide our clients with a multi-tool CRM platform for their sales and marketing teams. Here are a few examples of the work we have a passion for. 4-Star Connections, a commodity-based wire and harness company, wanted to transition itself into a solutions provider, offering new product introductions and design for manufacturing services. It was Grant Marketing who they called upon to change the company's image with new branding, implement inbound marketing services using a HubSpot platform, provide sales and marketing training for account managers, create content marketing with case studies, landing pages, and blogs, redesign their website, initiate email marketing campaigns, as well as create informational video and update their photography. The results? 4-Star Connections has exceeded sales goals on a regular basis. When Phasex Corporation in North Andover created a new brand for whole hemp extraction, they turned to Grant Marketing. Founded in 1981, Phasex has grown from a small R&D service company to an internationally recognized problem-solving organization utilizing supercritical fluid technology. Recently, they hired Grant Marketing to brand a new offshoot of the company named PHCO2. This specialty division provides whole plant hemp extraction. Our team provided new brand design and messaging, content creation, new website design built on a HubSpot CMS, created sell sheets, press releases, advertising, and email marketing. Since the launch of this new division, PHCO2 has become a self-funded industry leader. A 200-employee manufacturer of stamping and CNC services, Hobson & Motzer focuses on the medical device industry. They were in need of a marketing agency to update their company image from an industrial stamping company to a state-of-the-art medical device component manufacturer, create marketing and advertising campaigns, and engage medical device companies. They partnered with Grant Marketing, and our team developed an inbound and outbound marketing plan that included both print and digital advertising, as well as a social media campaign on LinkedIn. If you are rethinking your business strategy, want to maintain or increase business growth, increase your visibility in the marketplace, introduce new products and services, or how you will align your sales and marketing teams, give us a call for an assessment of your marketing needs, or visit us online at grantmarketing.com and see what we can do for your company.